Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. Welcome to our weekly news roundup, brought to you by Oscor, leading specialists in plastic storage and warehouse equipment. It's a chunky week of news this week, so let's start with the best news of all. Our March edition is out. As is our style, it is packed with stories, profiles and special features, but the cover story encapsulates it all. Tui Foods is a new business set up by 3 seasoned processing, FMCG and farming specialists. Its aim to turn Australia's broken food supply chain on its head and then put it back together in a way that is equitable, environmentally sustainable and scalable. It's an audacious business idea and set to change Australian and global practices. You must have a read. The digital version of the mag is up on the website, so head there straight after this and take it all in. In other news, the Turbine Precinct, a collaborative end-to-end food and beverage manufacturing hub on Queensland's Sunshine Coast, got another boost this week with a further $33 million from the federal government. This builds on the $8 million it was allocated last year and brings the vision even closer to realisation. It has been 5 years in the planning, led by Fiona Greenhatch from the Food and Agribusiness Network. Once the precinct is fully operational, it will employ more than 680 people, and it's forecast that its project partners will generate roughly $300 million in revenue. The CSIRO has released a roadmap on how Australia can tap into the $13 billion global protein market, saying we have the potential to create 10,000 jobs and become a global leader. Turning lesser cuts of red meat into value-added protein powders, developing tastier, high-protein legume crops, launching new plant-based protein products, building a sustainable white flesh fish industry, and looking at cultivated meats and edible insects were all singled out as growth opportunities. The National Science Agency's CEO, Dr. Larry Marshall, said that science can help create the new markets as well as complement existing ones, and in doing so will shift Australia's reputation from being a food bowl of commodities to a global delicatessen of higher value exports. 3 Victorian universities, Deakin, Monash and RMIT, are collaborating on a $16 million circular economy accelerator for organic waste, including a BioFactory being built by Deakin in Geelong. The goal is to reduce the amount of food and agricultural waste and marine byproducts that are going to landfill, while building long-term collaborative partnerships across agriculture, food, water and other adjacent industries. The BioFactory will pilot new processes to use the waste and turn it into nutritional ingredients, protein-valued feed, fertiliser and other biomaterials. Deakin will provide the advanced biomanufacturing capability to convert the organic waste, to link into RMIT's expanded capabilities for food and other processing. Monash University will provide product, process and quality and analysis. So many people doing great things in the week's news bulletin this week. For all these stories and more, head to the website foodanddrinkbusiness.com.au. Thanks to Oscor, and with that, I'm Kim Berry, over and out.